Hello again, YouTubers. Here we have this late R-36 again. I remember I made 2 videos of this fan before when it had wood blades. I took the motor apart and fully cleaned it. This is a later R-36 with the plastic housing and plastic canopy, which is right there. I found a set of genuine R-36 metal blades, actually 2 sets. That's here a set. So I threw this on here, and it seems like it performs like it should. So let's go ahead and test it out on low first. There's no tag, so, but it's definitely old. It has cloth wiring and everything, so the entire fan will be getting repainted black. And fast low speed puts off some good amount of air. Let's go ahead and go on high. These have cast iron brackets and aluminum blades. Spin down. Estimating a fan somewhere around the 1970s. Once again, the tag is missing, but it is definitely an R-36, the later one. Probably one of the last ones they made before they went to a 36-inch original. Thanks for watching.